Hi friend! Our Friday today here in the Philippines. So let's try yung tinatawag nilang negative painting. So let's try it with leaves first. So mag-drawing tayo ng leaves. Withdraw the branches. Mag-drawing tayo ng leaves. Then watercolor natin yung white part. Dito lang natin sa YouTube. So, let's try negative painting. Friend, how's your week? Ayan, patapos na naman ng week today. Home alone tayo, friend. By the way, si Pops is on his way to Kansas to attend a conference. Miss natin si Popsy kasi 10 days ang kanya conference. So ayan, let's try to siguro we can use blue sa ating negative painting. So negative painting, ang ipipaint mo yung space sa leave mo yung yung leaves. So you will paint the rest pero hindi yung space ng leaves. So medyo mahirap yung yung mismong so we'll use a smaller brush dito. So ito muna big part. So ang tawag daw dito is negative painting. Friend, ayan, pagka nothing to do, you can do watercolor. Let's see kung anong resulta ng ating art activity today. Sinay lang natin what they are calling as negative painting. Nakita natin sa mga YouTube content creator, fan arts. Ay, sorry. So later let's change the brush to smaller kasi para maano natin yung yan. Hindi kaya naman pala. Dapat yata hindi natin nilagyan ng gunit sa gitna. Para mas maganda yung nakita natin. Siguro erase na lang natin later. Yan, let's enjoy our day at home doing art. So nakaka-relax po talaga doing watercolor. It keeps your mind busy. So erase na lang natin yung lines sa gitna. So ito-dry natin to after this. Kung gusto pa natin ng second layer for another batch of leaves. Again, friend, they call this negative painting. Kasi pinipaint mo yung background, hindi yung drawing mo. Usually, we paint yung drawing natin. This time, yung background ng pinipaint natin. Iiwan natin yung drawing natin. Kaya they call it negative painting. Friend, after this na madry natin, magdodrawing tayo ulit ng another batch of leaves. So another color din yun. So let's try what we see other creators do. And we're almost done. Friend, maganda na rin ang weather dito sa Bulacan. Wala nang rain. ano na, sunny day na siya. Sana yung mga na flood, okay na rin kayo. No more flood in your area para you can clean your house. Let's continue praying for safety kay Lord para maging safe ang house natin, maging safe tayo from this mga natural occurrence. So ayan friend, ang ating negative painting using leaves. Let's dry this, tapos mag-draw tayo ng another batch.